Hey guys, back with another video. Today's video is going to be showing you how to install a light bar on 07 to 13 Honda Rancher 420. You're going to want to pick yourself up a set of mounts, at least if you're going to do it the way I'm doing it. And I'm going for the furthest up front as possible. And these are house tuning. Just picked them up on Amazon, not sponsored or anything. And I got a 4-pack for like 16 bucks, but you want the 7/8 ones. Because that's what Honda Rancher racks are, but the only problem is there's 7/8 back there, but up here it gets a tad skinnier, so you're going to need some electrical tape to wrap it around to tighten it up. But we're going to put them in just like this, and like this right here, and the light bar will sit right behind this, but not covering it. So I'll show you step by step as I go, and just cut in and out of the little clips that I show you, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I tested things out, and what I did was I took a Sharpie after I measured from the front where it's going to be, and obviously this isn't where it's going to sit now, but I took a Sharpie, drew lines on each side of this bracket on the exact spot I wanted it, and then wrapped electrical tape in there. And now I'm just going to set this on top of it, tighten it up, and then go to the other side, and I'll let you know how that worked. Alright guys, so I've got my brackets on top of my electrical tape. Everything's super solid. I bolted the light bar down in. The only thing left now is to wire it all, and I angled it right, tightened everything up. So now I'm just deciding, do I run the wire here and then drop in? Do I run the wire through here but go under the rack? Or do I take this wire and try to go up the corner of this headlight like that? From back here, kind of digging the one, I'd rather me have to see it than it be just hanging out in the front. And then if it's up there, it can kind of get caught. So I don't know, we'll see. But stay tuned for the wiring, and we'll show you how to do that also. Hey guys, so quick, I put the wiring through here. Come out a port in the back. I had to take the light apart so it would fit good, but it's not pinched in any way. It comes in and out perfect. I just got to splice the connectors on now. Hey guys, so I'm back. I kind of finished a few things up without touching base, but I spliced these wires to the connectors. I didn't splice, yeah, so I ran that in front of the steering stem and that wiring harness there, all those hoses, actually breathers, and then so I brought it down here, came out right behind the shock with this loom, if you can see the shinier wire right there, ran it down with that loom to where it split off here, and I ran it with all these vent hoses along the edge of the gas tank and the harness line, and then put my connector here that goes to my switch, and put the other main power source, light bar power source, back here where I just hooked it up to my terminals, and then shoved the harness, and you can see part of the fuse back there. Just kind of shoved that in there. It's real tight, so it's not going to rattle. I was skeptical about this because I didn't think it was going to fit all the way, but it did, so that works. I can always relocate that up here if I have to, but for now I think it'll be fine. And yeah, so I just kind of tucked it in there, and I did use my switch on this side, and I wired it so it stays red all the time, and if I find it drains my battery, then I will, I can just rewire it, so don't do that. But this side didn't have enough room, so I'm glad I picked this side. But yeah, so that's how I did it, and let me show you how bright it is. It's not dark yet, but it lights that up, and it's bright. So, anyways, if you enjoyed this or found it helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And I have a very good series coming up of some work on the Yamaha Grizzly, so stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.